Hi, I'm Gigi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returnist, welcome back and thank you very much once again for coming. And with that said, let's start our project. Yes, our first project is how to make a pumpkins. Yes, guys, we are going to make a pumpkins made out of this old sleeve from my previous project. And I'm going to reuse them now. So I'm using a basting mode. I'm sewing it using a basting mode. As you can see, I I lift half an inch on the edge, and the reason why is so that when I turn it inside out like this, it doesn't come out the stuffing that we put in later on. And since I put it inside like this, as you can see, I'm tying a knot so that it doesn't go off all the things that we put inside. And now I'm putting all those um, materials that I cut is a bit and pieces of anything that I've left over from my old projects. I just set them aside or I just keep them, and now I'm reusing them. So now I'm using another uh, basting stroke, and this time I leave 1 inch off the edge of this sleeve. And the reason why is so that we can push this in later on and it keep that pumpkin looks later on. Okay. And this video is in collaboration with my friend Antoinette from Decorating Anne's Place, and it's co-hosted by um, our beautiful friend Lisa Birmingham, and it's about fulling into leaves. So I will write down their channel or link down into my description box, and please go and check them. So now I'm putting this twig from the tree branch from outside. Tree branch, no, I'm talking about is tree twigs that I pick up from the backyard. And since this is fulling leaves collaboration, so I'm using these leaves for my pumpkins, as you can see, guys. Okay, and now look at that. Isn't it a beautiful? Though it's not orange because I like to mix match, and as you know, this is about crafting, so we can experiment everything. As you can see, I'm putting all the leaves. I made quite a few, guys, of these pumpkins. I always wanted to make this is my first time to make these pumpkins for a fall. I normally buy plastic pumpkins, and there is the outcome, guys. You see, it's nice and pretty. I'm very pleased with it. Project number 2, and I saw this beautiful cloth or material with a beautiful pattern. So I decided to make a wall decor, and I will use this cloth to frame. And I have this canvas frame from my storeroom again. Actually, this was a drawing from my son when he was a young boy, and I just kept everything in the storeroom. And now I decided to use this canvas frame. I didn't remove the canvas, guys, because I have to use it as a holder of this cloth. It is really beautiful, and since I don't have a how do you call it, staple gun, I use a our favorite glue gun, like always, guys. And I think it's, for me, it's safer to just use a glue gun. Okay. So I just use this, and now I braided some twine to decorate this side or the whole around of this frame. I don't know. I just made it up, guys. And I don't know if it's nice or not, but I'm quite pleased with the whole outcome. So I just glue it aside. I have to make sure I have to do it at the back so that it's nice and neat. As you can see, I just use glue gun. Because if I don't put this um, braided twine, it looks kind of funny. So I make that like as a border to show like it's really in a frame kind of thing. Instead of a wood, I use this twine. If you know what I mean. I don't know if you like it. Please comment down below if you prefer it in a twine or it's in a wood. It's almost done. Well, we can use some wood, but I don't have really a size of the wood. I have to go to hardware shop to buy, so I might as well just use something that I have. And these are the outcome, guys. Isn't it a beautiful that bird there? Project number 3. As you know, guys, this is all about fooling leaves. So what I did is, or I cut some leaves, or looks like a leaves from a cloth, an orange cloth, and I just sticking it into this DIY vase from the last project. So I'm sticking it here as a decoration. Here you go. And this is the outcome, guys. So now, since this is all about falling leaves, so I am decorating my basket where I'm going to put my pumpkins with these leaves. Okay. So let's just turn it like that. I don't know, guys. I just made things up. As you know me. I just like to make things up. So I just put all the pumpkins that I made. I made quite a lot actually because I have a couple of baskets here. So I will just put them into my living room for the fall to make it, you know, nice and bright. Okay, so let's just put our fall decoration. And there you go. So please enjoy.